This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 51. Why effort stops working when pushing no longer increases energy. Most people believe effort creates progress. Biologically, that's only true when capacity is available. Effort does not generate energy, it spends it. And when the nervous system is already operating near its limit, more effort doesn't help, it drains. Under chronic stress, when the body stays in survival mode, circulation is prioritized for defense. Digestion and repair are reduced. Glucose availability becomes unstable. The nervous system stays alert. The system is not lazy, it is conserving. In this state, effort becomes inefficient. You push harder, but output doesn't increase. Why motivation fails here? This isn't a mindset problem. Motivation works only when biology can support it. If the nervous system senses overload, it limits output automatically, not to stop you, but to protect you. This is why effort can feel heavy, why discipline stops working, why trying harder creates exhaustion instead of results. What actually changes the equation? Capacity doesn't grow through force, it grows through conditions. When safety becomes predictable, circulation improves. Metabolic flexibility returns. Effort becomes efficient again. Action feels lighter, not because you became stronger, but because resistance dropped. Bringing it together. If effort stopped working for you, nothing is wrong. Your system isn't unmotivated, it's overloaded. Energy returns when pressure decreases, not when you push harder. Next episode, what happens when capacity returns? Why ease is a biological signal, not a personality trait. Thank you.